Hello and welcome to the Wellness Wheel. This is something that we've created to try and help people think about their own health and well-being. As you can see here, the Wellness Wheel creates a space where you can reflect upon the balanced activities in your daily routine. By clicking on each heading, we'll provide more information to pose a question, and then the segments will respond to the answers of your question. So if we click over economic well-being. So economic well-being is about having present and future financial security. So if you were to answer this, do you feel financially secure? 0 is rarely and 9 is always. Put that like there. And click over sleep. Can you see that's green? So the significance of these is red indicates there's not good balance here and your health and well-being are being negatively affected. Amber is you're somewhere between okay and not okay, but the slightest thing could tip the balance. And green is you feel there's a good balance here and it's positively impacting on your health and well-being. So sleep, having a restful sleep. So do you have a restful sleep at night? Well, I have a 2.5-year-old, so I would probably have to say, but she does sleep the night through, but she wakes up very early, so I'll put it there. Work, education and training. So this is about fulfilling your educational and development needs. So this is definitely an area I think that I'm fulfilling. So being in teaching and learning and development environment, yeah, definitely getting that. Relationships and feeling connected. So having positive relationships in your life and feeling supported. So you feel supported and not isolated. Yeah, I've got really great family and great friends. So that's good. Suitable living accommodation. So suitable living accommodation is about a place where you feel safe and secure. So in answer to this question, do you feel safe where you live? Does where you live make you feel safe and secure? Yes, 100%. Balanced diet. So this is a diet consisting of a variety type of foods and providing adequate amounts of nutrients essential for good health and also hydration. Now the food I do really well with, but the hydration I'm shocking. I need to drink more water, so I'll put myself somewhere in the middle there. Physical fitness, so my ability to carry out tasks without undue fatigue. Do I carry out regular exercise? Not as much as I'd want, so I'll probably put myself there. Mindfulness. This is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts and body sensations. Well, I'm a guru for this. I love relaxation, practice meditation, practice mindfulness, practice CBT. So that's a good one for me. So you can see that my wheel is fairly well inflated, but there's a bit of work for me to do in sleep, physical fitness and balanced diet. So and also just to show you here, if you click on here, so this one about mindfulness, it gives you some practical steps for each one. So let's have a look at my lowest one. So around sleep, so aiming to go to bed, getting up at the same time, disconnect from information superhighway. Well, that's, reading the phone, having the phone there, avoiding big meals. So what's really good there is that under each heading, you've got some sort of practical tips to help with addressing some of the, maybe the red or the amber areas. And then also we've created an action plan. So if you click on that, and if we click document, you can either have it PDF or document and press open. That should then take me to an action plan where I can start to implement some goals around the areas that I've highlighted. So it was sleep, diet and exercise. It's thinking about it. Something's happening there, look. Be patient, Michelle. Try that again. There we go. So there's the action plan. So if I put here, I've already done one because this was my example. To get a better night's sleep. So steps to achieve this: relaxation, not drinking caffeine, not watching TV. Potential obstacles: breaking habits, not wanting to miss out. Own motivation, and I would put in there having a young baby as well. The date to be achieved and the reward. So you would set an action around each area that you've identified as either red or amber. And that action plan can, feed into professional development, and also you can review it on a regular basis. And the idea as well is that you would review on a regular basis. So you might want to take a screenshot of that wheel and then make a plan to redo it in 3 months' time, because it might be that it could be constantly sort of changing, and it's important that you keep your wheel well inflated, because if you're running at red in all the areas, it's going to have a real negative impact on your health and well-being. So I hope you find that useful, and would really appreciate some feedback on this. Thank you.